ABC stands for the African Biodigester Component, and it's part of a bigger program that we have here at RVO. It's active in 5 countries in Africa, in East Africa, in Kenya and in Uganda, and in West Africa, in Burkina Faso, in Niger and in Mali. A biodigester combines animal manure and agricultural waste into 2 different products, biogas and bioslurry. A biodigester has several distinct features. It contributes to the socio-economic development of a farmer and his family. And each biodigester mitigates 5 tons of CO2 emission per year, which is quite an essential contribution to climate change mitigation.
When I started using biogas, I no longer spend on charcoal nor firewood. It has really saved us health-wise, because when using charcoal, there is a lot of smoke. I use this biocelery in my garden. We mix the biocelery with water and spray it on our plants. It has greatly improved our soil fertility. So there is even a period when I do 3 seasons instead of 2 in a year because of biocelery.
The purchase of biodigester technology is a very high initial investment cost for smallholder farmers. However, they can earn back their money in a short period of time. The ABC program is a timely program that is coming in to support the biodigester sector to grow and become sustainable, but mainly focusing on commercializing the sector.
The ABC program is innovative in a way that it is about developing markets. We provide the companies with business development support, raising their marketing strategies. We support the companies with a result-based financing incentive, which essentially means that for each digester that a company has sold, we provide them with an extra incentive.
I see a lot of opportunity in this business. Biodigester technology is still a growing technology. In 5 years' time from now, we expect to be the leading company doing construction of biodigesters in Uganda and beyond.
The ABC program in Uganda would like to at least have 8,000 small-scale biodigesters installed by 2025, and most importantly, to see biodigester sector sustain itself without our support. Currently, we are working with 21 companies across the country, but we stimulate more new companies to join us.